Hello class. So as we have discussed chapter first in our previous class, so today we are going to pick some important topics of that chapter. Okay, so let's see. Chapter's name is Nature and Significance of Management. Today we will going to study about the nature and significance of management. How is the nature and what are the significance of management? Okay. So for that, first we have to understand what management is. What is management? Okay. So what is the meaning of management? Activity of managing. So what management means? Activity of managing anything means if I'm giving you some task, so what you will do? You will manage the things according to the resources that you have. So that is management. So management is an art of getting things done from others. What is management? Management is an art of getting things done from others. So you have that qualities that if you are giving some work to anyone, so they are doing the work according to you. So that is management. It's an art of getting things done from others. Okay, getting. Okay, so what are the process for this management process? So what we will do first is planning, then organizing, then staffing, directing, and last is controlling. So what are these process? First is planning. Before starting any work, what we will do, we will make some strategies, some plans that how we have to do the particular job or the work. So it comes under planning. What is planning? Planning means where we are today and where we want to be in our near future. So that is planning. It's a strategy. Okay. Then next is organizing. Suppose we have made the plans. Our next work is to organize it. How we have to do it, how we have to perform the particular planning function that we have arranged now. So that is organizing. And after planning, organizing, our next step is staffing. Staffing means recruitment for the job. So right person for the right job. We have to organize, and after organizing we have to do the staffing. We have to what? Recruit the employees for the particular task. We have to know that who is able to do the particular job. So we have planning, organizing, and then we have to do staffing. We have to arrange the people for our work. After staffing, next is directing. So now we have people to do the job. So now we have to direct them, we have to guide them how the particular task we have to done. So guiding means here we are going to tell them that how they have to do the work, what are the strategies, what the plans we have made. So according to that you have to perform the particular task. So that is directing. And after planning, organizing, staffing, and directing, all these processes have done, last work is controlling. Controlling means what? Whatever plans we have made and why we have organized you and we are doing the work here, and after giving all directions, the last is controlling, that seeing that all the things are going according to the plan or not, what we have, the goals and objectives that are going to fulfilled or not. That last is controlling. Okay, so this is the process of management. After this we have to see the levels of management. There are 3 levels of management. Okay, first level is known as top level, second is known as middle level, and third is known as lower level. So in top level the board of directors are there, in middle level managers or head of departments are there, and in the lower level the employees or the subordinates are there. So this is the system how an management is done, starting from top level, and after that it comes to middle level, and at the lower level it is also known as operational level also. Okay, so after levels there are some characteristics of management. So first is goal oriented. So as we all know that management is an goal oriented process. Why we are doing management, why we are managing things? Because we have some goals, we have some target that we have to achieve. So therefore it is known as goal oriented process. Okay, then next is universal process. management is a universal process in every organization, in each events or whatever work you are doing. So management is needed in India, in other countries also, wherever you have to run any business or any event you are going to organize. So what we have to do, you have to manage the things. So management is, that's why, universal process. Okay, then third is group activity. Management is a group activity. A single person or single man cannot perform all the duties. So for that, we have to have a group of pupils who are doing work for us. So that's why it is a group activity. And last is an intangible force. Management is an intangible force. You can't see the force, but you can feel that. So that's why it is known as intangible force. So management is a goal oriented process, it is a universal process, it is a group activity and an intangible force. So this is how we have to understand the things. So nature and significance of management. First we have to understand the meaning. What is the meaning? Activity of managing the things by the resources available. Okay, then what is management? An art of getting things done from others. And what is the process of management? Planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. And levels of management: top level, middle level and lower level. And lastly, characteristics: goal oriented process, universal process, group activity and an intangible force. So this is the one topic that we have cleared today. Okay, rest of the topics we will clear after next class. Okay.